Where are we tonight?
I thought it'd be a good idea to try Mexican food tonight.
That's not a bad idea. I've been learning Spanish.
Really?
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien, gracias.
That's actually pretty good.
I learned something else. ¿Qué comida Taco Bell? Thanks, bro. Oh, it's chili soup. Oh, it's cool. Chips and salsa. Munch on some chips and salsa here.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are at Pueblo Viejo in Lapeer, and we are snacking on some chips and salsa. Complimentary.
Delicious. You can fresh. Not too watery. Great appetizer or starter or complimentary, whatever you want to call it.
Oh, nice root beer to start the night off with.
I got a water and a lime.
Mr. Diet over here.
I'm not on a diet just yet.
We already have our waitress, very friendly service already.
Yeah,
Pick 4 dishes for us.
absolutely. And she was kind of surprised that we're doing a food review on the place. I mean, good choice.
We haven't done one yet, so what better way to start the different cultures.
But place is nice and clean. It's vibrant. As soon as you walk in, you just hit with the amount of culture that Spanish people have. It's amazing. Like the salsa.
Very busy tonight, and it's got to be for good reason.
Yeah. I like that the tables are well lit, so you know exactly what you're eating. As you can see by these lights over here.
Yeah. We were sitting across the table, and there was a light in the background that was like distorting the picture. So we decided to sit this side, and now we still have lights distorting the picture. So not much.
Just brightens up on that.
Yeah, not much we can do about that, but
Hope you guys enjoyed the video regardless.
yeah.
So Pueblo Viejo is located just off M21. Bro, I'm almost out of salsa here.
There's more. I don't know if you guys watch like Instagram and stuff, but they say that one of these makes up 1/4 of a tortilla. So when you eat 4 of these, you're basically eating a whole tortilla.
Really?
I don't know if that's true or not, but
Wow. This place has abundance of food. You got tortillas, you got tacos, you got
burritos,
burritos,
carne asada.
enchiladas. I'm hearing something sizzle. Is that the fajitas?
It sounds like it.
Do you think we're gonna get fajitas?
I don't know. I'm hungry though.
I'm just interested in how spicy the food's gonna be. I don't do good with spice.
I hope there's no beans. I'm not a fan of beans. The refried beans. Oh,
You know what they say, the more beans, what's it? Beans, the more you eat, the more you eat, the more you toot. No? Something like that. The more beans you eat, the more you toot. But it's a great source of fiber.
there's a saying. I just don't know what it is. So they provide a salsa as an appetizer. They got the mild, and then they have a spicy one. But we just went with the mild,
Thank goodness.
and it's got some good flavor. I'm done with this.
The chips is hot. One more.
I'm not going to fill up on chips and salsa.
They are addicting though.
They are. Put these to the side, because we're going to need probably the whole table.
For the amount of food that we think we're gonna get. Or we're just gonna get tortilla wraps.
With cheese quesadilla.
They're not gonna feed us. Or are they? Stay tuned.
So this is my premonition. They're gonna do the monster burrito.
Oh, that, yeah.
They're gonna do a deep fried chimichanga. maybe some tostadas, and then some tacos, and maybe a fajita. That's what I'm saying.
That's a good guess.
Especially the monster burrito. I have a feeling they might do that. Yeah. And that is actually a food challenge, is the monster burrito.
Yeah, how big is it? Like a 3-pound burrito or 5-pound burrito?
I think it's 3 or
I didn't even look at the
5
menu.
pounds, yeah.
It's going to be like a 5-pound burrito and you're going to finish it within 30 minutes or so.
I think it's 45 minutes or something.
Cool. That's quite a bit of time, but that's quite a bit of food too.
That's a lot. And it comes with rice.
And your favorite?
Yeah.
Beans. Refried beans. What do you call a dangerous taco?
What?
Street taco.
Oh my goodness.
Should just be a few more minutes, okay?
Appreciate it, thank you. Is it going to fill up this whole table or?
Well, not the whole table, but a good majority of it.
Good.
Okay.
Good. Appreciate it, thank you.
You're welcome.
And this is a big table.
Yeah, it's a good size table.
Oh, here we go.
We have the mahi tacos. The bimbo's gonna be super warm for you guys.
Appreciate it. Ooh. Who's your favorite?
The birria quesadilla.
Wait, you guys got birria now? You guys have birria?
Yes, we do.
Oh.
We've had it for a while. We have the street tacos.
Yes.
We have
Dangerous.
the al pastor birria.
Oh.
We have the classic Pueblo special for you guys. The plate is pretty warm.
Appreciate it, thank
It comes
you.
with tortillas as well.
So what's in the special?
It's gonna be beans, rice, chicken, pico de gallo, and queso. And then you
Appreciate
kind
it.
of make your own tacos with it.
Fantastic, awesome, thank you. This looks amazing.
Do you
This,
guys have any questions? Need anything else right now?
2 plates.
Two plates. I'll be right out. So.
thank you. When the hell did they get birria taco?
Quesadilla, birria.
Oh, birria quesadilla?
Oh, looks good.
That's consomme. Am I saying consomme? Aww. All pickles are the same size.
That's yours.
All pickles are special, bro. All size pickles are special.
That's a burnt pickle.
It's Spanish pickle.
Wait, is that cheese? Or do you want to do that first?
We can do this, but I mean, this is a lot of food, bro.
That was extra.
Oh, wow, thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it, thank you.
You think they're good picks?
Brilliant,
Yeah.
brilliant picks.
Yes.
Good choice. You're waiting for the
El Grito?
El Grito?
Yeah, the El Grito.
Yeah, we thought that's what you're gonna bring.
No, I didn't, because I figured a little something different. It's
Absolutely.
Not, I figured these would be taste a little.
These are gonna
Perfect. The street taco is nice
They're
touch.
my favorite. Yeah,
good
that's
choice.
Thank you.
Good choice.
Thank you.
Thank you. How much space is on this table?
Ooh.
These are nice and fresh.
Oh, so they gave us a mix of
Flour
flour
and corn.
and corn. There you go. There's a flour one.
Oh, shucks, thank you.
Oh, beans. How lovely.
Yeah, but they're not refried.
I know.
They're just beans.
It's probably going to be hot. They have like rice in there.
You can smell how good it is. Oh, that's cheesy.
Make it into a mini burrito.
It's pronounced burrito. You gotta pronounce the R's. That's yummy.
Something about queso cheese with everything.
If you're lactose intolerant, this isn't the place. I'm sure they got lactose-free alternatives. Flour tortillas are nice.
Freshly made. They're not like stale.
Nice and warm, soft.
The chicken is grilled, nice and juicy, tender.
Really good flavors.
Good way to start the night.
I think those 3 bites is gone for me. Wow, really tasty. I'm gonna go with the corn tortilla. How many bites did that take you?
Like 3 or 4. I could have done it in 2.
You did it in 1? You can deep throat it. I know you like to do that kind of stuff, but
Hey, got jokes tonight.
yep. Been a while since I had Mexican food.
You sure?
Yeah.
Oh,
When was the last time?
I don't know.
Yeah.
So you and Jose broke up then? Your little snack?
Oh, Jose jalapeno.
Yeah, you don't get his queso cheese every night now. I prefer the corn. The corn has a way different taste. Man, this tastes good.
Wow, I just got a bite of everything. Beans, rice, tomato, cilantro, green peppers, chicken, cheese. That flour tortilla really makes a big difference.
The corn,
What do you guys think about the Pueblo special?
Delicious.
really good.
Good. Glad you guys
Wow.
like it. Good.
If you guys are in the area, come check this place out. Seriously. I want to eat more, but I know there's more dishes to eat.
I want to do street tacos.
There's your burnt pickle. Oh, that's jalapeno.
Jalapeno, not pickle.
Yeah.
Miles has pickles on the mind. The one's carne asada and the other one is pork. What's pork?
Polo. No, that's chicken.
Polo's chicken.
Oh man, all the Spanish I don't know. What is pork?
And we have a nice.
Oh, pork in Spanish is oink oink.
No, it's not.
It's not?
No. You're the one learning all the Spanish.
Yeah, well, I missed a couple of classes.
Yeah. Spending too much time with Mr. Jose. Comes with 2 like dipping sauces or like sauce you can put on top. Smell, I don't know. They smell spicy.
So one's green sauce and one's red sauce.
Yeah.
That's what I think what they call this. No, it's not bad. That's like an avocado base. Or guacamole.
We'll see.
Good luck.
Oh, these street tacos look amazing. Gonna add a little bit of lime.
You have to.
That's the correct way of doing it.
So this is the steak one. Steak, onions, cilantro.
This is pork. The other one's the steak one.
Oh god. Okay, we're gonna cut. I'll feed you.
It shouldn't be too hot.
It's sweet. I love grilled vegetables. That's good. You wanna bite?
Oh. That pork is tender. The freshness of the cilantro, the onion. Oh, it makes it a good taco. Street taco. The only way to get them.
Good question. What do you call pork in Spanish?
Carnitas.
Carnitas.
Carnitas. That's it. Yep. It's on the tip of my tongue.
That's what I say, like carne asada, but that's steak.
That's steak, yep.
Carnitas.
Carnitas. So you're going with the red. I'm gonna go with the green.
I'm gonna try a little bit of this red sauce. Oh, it might be a little bit too much, but Let's see what happens.
The green sauce adds a little bit more lime flavor to it.
Oh, yep. Oh, there it is. Yes.
Hot. Oh, it's not that hot. Okay. Yep.
I didn't get it the first time, I got it the second time. That's what I get.
Serves you right.
It's red, like red pepper or red chili flakes. It's almost like they took the seeds from the jalapeno and put it in there.
You can see it.
It's got the heat on it.
You know it doesn't have heat? A jalapeno.
Especially when it's
Whoa.
rolled.
That's sweet. I like that. I like the grilled vegetables. Oh, wait a minute. Yep, there's a bit of heat. Yep, there's a bit of heat. But it's not overpowering. It's good. I like it.
Now we're going for the carne asada. Steak.
Which is steak.
Oh, that looks damn good. Let me try some of this.
And don't forget lime.
Has a nice fatty flavor. So a sweetness to it. Like grilled onion. Has a nice sweetness.
That pork is good. Tender, juicy, and the flavors of the corn tortilla, onion, cilantro, and the red sauce. Good combination.
Oh man. Grilled onion.
You got grilled onion? I got raw onion. That's a good change up on different flavors.
Definitely. I'd go grilled onion over fresh.
I like the fresh ones. Gives that little like crunch and snap and bite. Yeah, corn tortillas over fried tortillas any day.
Real spicy. Meh.
I don't find that too spicy.
Get the seeds.
You get the seeds.
Get a lot of the seeds in and then tell me it's not spicy.
You first.
I already did it.
How's your plate more cleaner than mine?
Because you eat like a toddler.
Because it's just a baby.
Oh, shoot.
Good.
Yeah, my eye was itchy. I was just making sure.
Did you scratch with the...
With my pinky. I'm good.
Oh.
You guys still doing okay?
Yes, thank you.
Staff is super friendly.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay, next we got mahi
Tacos.
tacos.
With rice and beans.
Your favorite? Oh wow, they got avocado on here too.
That looks good.
Fresh avocado. Deep fried mahi.
I'm gonna give this Spanish rice a taste.
How's it?
The flavor's subtle, but it tastes good.
Nope, you're right. It's not clumpy too.
It's not super soft, but it's not like,
Undercooked.
yeah.
Really good rice.
Nice and fluffy.
That's right, yeah. Very
It's a
true.
fluffy, nice fluffy rice. Oh. Shoot. Put all the juices coming out of this. This is going to be a messy one.
Fish is fried to perfection. Horseful is a very nice touch. It's got that tart sweetness, cuts right through the richness of the fried fish. And that avocado just adds that Caribbean kind of feel or flavor.
One thing I don't like is like the wateriness.
That's going to be from the coleslaw.
Yeah. If you let it sit too long, it will be soggy.
Mine's not soggy, so I guess it depends which one you get.
Yeah, it's...
You grab the middle, I grab the end. Don't forget you got your refried beans over there, bro.
Have fun.
You have fun. You first.
Fish is nice and flaky.
Meaty. It's a big piece of fish.
It's a good flavor.
Don't forget about your refried beans there, bro.
Nope. I will gladly skip that. Do you guys like beans? Have at it. Solid beans, I like that. It's like when people say, I like raw tomato, not cooked, or vice versa. I like solid beans, I don't like that.
But we're food reviewers. We have to try all food, although you don't like it.
Oh god. That just looks so bad.
It's refried beans. It's refried beans. What else? Good flavor. Beanie flavor. With cheese on top.
Well, I'd hope it's a beanie flavor from beans. Ay.
Would you like another root beer?
Yes, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. All set with this?
Oh,
Do you want to keep the salsas?
Salsas, yes.
Yeah, we'll
yes,
keep the
yes.
salsas.
Salsas.
cool. Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much. Now you can wash the taste out of your mouth.
I don't like that.
What? The beans? They're good, bro. They're decent.
Nope.
The beans are good.
Nope. That will taste like. Not for me. Oh gosh.
Okay, next. Last but not least, and I've been waiting for this, I'm not gonna lie. The Birria tacos.
Birria tacos. Oh.
Consomme. Birria tacos. So what is Birria? Is it pork or beef? It's beef, Ross. It's beef that's stewed.
This is pork.
Is this pork?
This is pork.
But is Birria normally beef or can it be both?
It can be whatever you want it to be.
Okay, that makes
Yeah,
sense.
that's pork.
But look at the color. Now, this tortilla has been fried in the juices of the birria.
Yeah.
That's how they get the color. I didn't know that till a couple of weeks ago.
It looks good. Oh. Wow.
Hi, Papi.
Nice cheese to meat ratio.
Yes. And the meat is juicy, flavorful. You actually taste like a pork flavor to it. Trying the consomme. Sorry, consomme, however you pronounce it.
Yeah, nice big chunks of fat. That's pretty good. Let me try some of that.
Consomme, yeah. That's good consomme.
Oh,
Just all the flavors that the meat's been cooked in is in that consomme.
fold this up.
I'm gonna add a little lime, which is gonna cut through the richness of the pork.
Let it soak for a good 10 seconds. Yep, making a big mess over here.
That pork has got some really, really, really good flavor, I'm not gonna lie.
Good. Juicy.
Cheese holds everything together. You got that flavor of the cheese. Now I can't tell if this is flour. I'm going to say this is a flour tortilla.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep, you can taste the flour. I'm a sucker for birria. Any kind of birria. Beef birria, pork birria, chicken birria, shrimp birria. Tuna?
There's a Birria.
Finish a jalapeno.
I don't even get to have any.
You want to keep making fun of me about Jose, whoever Jose is.
It's okay. The jalapeno was more your size anyway.
Huh?
We just ate everything.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Are we going to have any leftovers? I don't think so.
Wow. I was enjoying the fruit so much.
True.
I didn't realize we just
Everything.
ate pretty much everything.
This is some,
This is the song from Fast and Furious.
yeah. And this is some fitting music for the end of this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you guys are in the area, definitely come check this place out.
Yes.
Try all the food. This is just a small sample of the dishes that they have.
And if you enjoy the content, guys, don't forget to give it a share, like, hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button.
But Pueblo Viejo, we definitely recommend. Definitely recommend.
Yep.
I'm glad that we came here tonight. That I learned a little bit of Spanish. And was able to taste a jalapeno. You gotta use a...
Yeah.
Guys, thank you very much for watching. Guys, enjoyed this video. Hit that thumbs up button, guys. Greatly appreciate all the love and support that we're getting from our viewers and our subscribers. So thank you very much. Keep doing what you guys are doing. Take care.
And on that note, guys, cheers.
Cheers.
Catch you on the next one.
Adios, muchachos. Aha! That's another word.